Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by checking essentials you need now. Batteries, cables, mounts. You plug batteries in and swap to full or hot spare to avoid mid-shoot power loss. Once done, collect USB-C or micro HDMI, plus audio leads and any XLR to 3.5 mm adapter for your microphone. Make sure the camera sits on the tripod and the quick-release plate is snug. This prevents wobble and keeps framing consistent while you continue to the next step. Now connect audio and video so signals are clean. You plug the mic into the camera or external recorder. If using XLR, confirm phantom power only if mic needs it. Next, route the HDMI or USB cable from camera to your recorder or phone using the correct adapter. USB-C capture device or micro HDMI cable so you get a stable feed. Then set the camera to provide a clean HDMI output and enable external mic input. Because proper routing prevents sync issues. Finish by optimizing settings and verifying the full chain. You set exposure, white balance, and your preferred frame rate, then adjust audio gain and monitor with headphones to avoid clipping. Once done, record a 10-15 second test clip and play it back to confirm framing, sync, and clean audio. If something goes wrong, check cable seating, power to devices, and that the camera's input/output mode matches your capture device.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.